Welcome to Medical Center Clinic. Today we have a patient from London in the United Kingdom. He's going to have the hair transplant and he's very excited.
Hi, my name is Miloš. I came from London, but originally I am from Serbia.
Hi Miloš, welcome to Turkey.
Thank you.
How did you find Medical Center Clinic?
I saw you on the internet and I wrote you, and your team is great. They really helped me and finally I can decide to your clinic. And beauties of Turkey helped me to choose Turkey and Medical Center Clinic.
Was it difficult to come to Turkey?
No, it's on 3 hours flight from London and it's so easy.
All right. So what do you think about Turkey?
Especially I came yesterday, I saw little bit things, but it's great nature, city, and it's big city and wonderful.
All right. Are you excited?
Yeah, a little bit excited.
Okay.
I hope the results will be great.
Okay, thank you very much.
You're welcome.
Let's start the adventure.
Hi, transplantation is over and I feel no pain. It's a little bit surprising because I wait a little bit pain, but there is no pain. And it was so easy to complete it because most of the operation I slept and it's so quick. Thank you Medical Center, thank you Turkey.